Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable or turn on landscape mode on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. To enable landscape mode on your iPhone, scroll down, locate this portrait icon, and then click on it. You see portrait orientation lock on. So by default, it's going to be on portrait orientation lock off. To make it landscape, click on it once. And if this particular feature is missing in your iOS 18 or later, press and hold the control center, click on add the control, then scroll down until you get to the portrait mode, and then click on it, or orientation lock under display and brightness. Click on it once added. Now, whenever you want to enable landscape mode on your iPhone, all you need to do is make sure you click on it like this. So whenever you are in any application that supports landscape mode, you can easily turn your iPhone on landscape to see if the landscape mode is going to work. And if it is not working, that shows landscape mode is not supported in the selected application. But if it does, you will be able to use landscape mode afterward. So that is exactly how to turn on landscape mode on iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.